There is a new provisional event in free flight called EP30. The provisional rules were developed by the very accomplished designer and flyer Stan Budenbaum, and the event was first flown in a demonstration fashion at the AMA 24 outdoor Nats in Muncie, Indiana last July. Basically, you combine the E20 event, which is an electric-powered free flight model airplane event with a 20-inch wingspan and an electric powertrain. You combine that with the P30 event, which is a rubber-powered event, 30-inch maximum wingspan going way back to the late 1970s and currently very popular. So essentially you replace the rubber power of the P30 with the electric powertrain of the E20. I hope you can see that here. Let's see if I can zoom in on that powertrain. Yeah, there it is. It is basically a 2.5-inch prop, very small. You have a circuit board with a timer on it and a motor controller. And you can separately program the motor run and the band burner DT, which is built into that circuit board. Let me turn it on the side. I think you can see the battery in there, and maybe you can see the electric motor. It's a very small electric motor, DC, of course. The battery is a LiPo battery. It's about 5 grams, which is a little heavy, but the minimum weight of the EP30 is 50 grams, so I think I'm going to get close to that with my first EP30. So to continue the description, I basically took the wing and stab and fin of a P30 that I never used before, and I built a simple stick and tissue box fuselage. You can see I've got a little cover here that's removable. That'll snap on there when I'm ready to fly. Right now you can see the motor is hooked up, so it's in a waiting state. It's beeping, and the prop is shifting about 20 degrees every couple seconds. Here's, of course, the wing saddle I'm going to be putting on later. I hope you can see this, probably about there. I'll move it back and forth till I get the CG at about 60%. The motor, prop, battery, and circuit board all come from BMK, which is a United Kingdom company. I bought that package through J&H Aerospace. It's pretty reasonably priced. Like I said, you can program the motor run time and the band burner time for the DT separately. Under the provisional rules, the maximum propeller diameter is 2.7 inches, any number of blades, single cell lithium battery of any capacity, or 2 NiCads of any capacity. The motor run is 20 seconds for the first 3 official flights. They have a max of 90 seconds. And if you go to a fly-off, you go to 120 seconds and a 10-second motor run. So again, let me review that. For the first 3 official flights, you have a 20-second motor run and 10 seconds for the 10 seconds for the 4th and subsequent flights until a max is not achieved. That, of course, would only occur if you were in a fly-off. And the maximum in the fly-off is 120 seconds. I hope I've got that right. Anyway, sorry for putting the paper in the view there. I'm going to run the motor for you, and hopefully this will be in the view. So you have a little push button here, and when you hold this down, that puts it in a standby mode. You can see the red LED is solid, and when I let go of that, it's going to do a motor run for 10 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, 0. And I think the little nichrome coil wire here momentarily heated up. That would have severed the, there it goes. That's delayed for some reason. I'll have to check the programming. That will sever the rubber band that holds the DT line, allowing the stabilizer to pop up to a 45-degree angle, and that will bring down the model gently in all but the strongest thermals. So I look forward to completing this model. I have to do a little bit of fiddly bits, and I also have to get the model trimmed, and I hope to put up some videos of the trim flights. And that's another timer going off for a different mechanism, so I'm going to stop the video now. Thanks for watching.